All right, we're going to look at some composite figures here. So I actually should be able to fit both of these in the same video. So if we take a look at these figures, we're looking at trying to find the area of both of these figures. So these are composite figures, and you can find these in my geometry section of my YouTube channel, U1 Algebra. And so we're going to take a look at finding the area. So I put the areas of these since there's basically two shapes here. So when we're looking at a triangle, it's our height times our base, and then we divide it by 2. And then we do our length times our width for our rectangles and or squares. So we're going to start off with the triangle first, with this first shape. So our height is 3. So we have 3 times our base, which is 2. And we're going to divide that by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 2 equals 3. So the area of this is 3. And then we're going to do our area of our rectangle. 6 times 3, length times width. 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 times 3 equals 18. And then all I do is just add 18 and 3 together. So 18 plus 3 equals 21. We're dealing with meters, and because it's area, it's meters squared. So that would be my finalized answer for that one. Now, if I go down to this second figure, we have this triangle whose base is 1 and the height is 4. So 4 times 1 divided by 2, base times height divided by 2. And that's going to be 4 divided by 2, which is going to be 2. So we've got the triangle area 2. Then we have the square 4 by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So the square is 16 here. And then we also have this centimeter wide square. And the reason why I know it's a square is because the height of this is 4. If this piece right here is 3, this other piece right here has to be 1. So I'm going to put 1 right there. So 1 times 1 is 1. Nice and easy. And you never want to assume a shape is something that's square, or, you know, like just because it looks like it doesn't necessarily mean it is. So you do have to have enough information to establish that that is really a square, just for an FYI. So now that I have 2, 16, and 1, I can add all those together. So 2 plus 16 is 18, plus 1 is 19, and it's 19. We're talking about centimeters, so it'd be centimeters squared. And that's your composite figures area. Again, if you want more questions like this, you can find them in my geometry section of my YouTube playlist, U1 Algebra.